Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we continue north on I-85 beginning in the city of Mebane in Orange County, North Carolina. In our previous video we overlooked the fact that Mebane extends into Orange County and missed the county line between Alamance County and Orange County, which was about 2 miles back. We're also on the east end of a concurrency between I-85 and I-40. This segment of freeway heads mostly east and southeast until we get through the city of Durham. Exit 160 leads to the census-designated place of Efland, which is to the north of I-85 and I-40. The community was originally named Green Springs, but at some point someone decided to rename it Efland. After an exhaustive search, we couldn't find any information about why the name was changed or even when it was changed, but we did find that in the 1800s, a family from nearby Guilford County with the surname Efland was involved in a land dispute, perhaps in this area. Here at mile 161, North Carolina State Highway 86 truck route joins us, serving as a bypass around the town of Hillsborough, where truck traffic is strictly prohibited. Here, I-40 splits away heading to the city of Raleigh while we continue on I-85 to the city of Durham. We enter the town of Hillsborough, the county seat of Orange County. Hillsborough has an estimated population of 6,568 as of 2016. There are numerous historical sites to visit in Hillsborough, including some dating to the late 18th century. For many years, Hillsborough was a leading town in its region of North Carolina, and many significant historical events occurred here. More than 100 surviving late 18th and 19th century structures help to illustrate this history. In addition, there are numerous secondary buildings, bridges, mill sites, and dams along the Eno River. Native American relics have been recovered from the sites of ancient villages thousands of years old. We enter Durham County and the city of Durham, which has an estimated population of 263,016, making it the fourth most populous city in North Carolina. Durham contains the northern vertex of the Research Triangle at Duke University. Durham is the venue for the annual Bull Durham Blues Festival. Notable dining establishments are primarily concentrated in the 9th Street, Brightleaf, and University Drive areas. There is a resurgence of restaurants in and around the downtown area, including several new restaurants in the American Tobacco District. The Nasher Museum of Art opened in October of 2005 and has produced nationally recognized traveling exhibitions of global contemporary art. Duke University and Duke University Health System are Durham's largest employers with a total of 34,863 employees. Other major employers are IBM with approximately 10,000 employees and GlaxoSmithKline Pharmaceuticals with 3,700. At mile 179, we leave the city limits of Durham and conclude our video here. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to help support our channel, please check out our merchandise at shop.spreadshirt.com/504roadtrips. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.